Welcome to How They Made, the series that takes you behind the scenes to uncover the fascinating process of manufacturing everyday objects. Today we're diving into the world of locomotion as we explore the intricate journey of crafting train wheels. Have you ever wondered how those massive steel wheels powering the locomotives that crisscross continents are made? Join us on a captivating journey as we unveil the secrets behind the creation of train wheels, from raw materials to the final product ready to roll on the rails. But before that, don't miss out on the chance to witness the marvels of modern manufacturing. Subscribe now and join us on our next adventure into the world of creation. Train wheels are primarily made from cast iron or steel, chosen for their high strength, wear resistance, and durability. The specific type of material selected depends on factors such as the type of train, its intended use, and regulatory requirements. To start, an electric furnace melts recycled steel at about 1,600 degrees Celsius. A gigantic bucket transfers the liquid metal into what's called a mold pit. Inside the pit, the metal fills 8 molds from the bottom up, creating steel ingots 6 meters long. A bandsaw cuts the cooled ingots into sections called wheel blanks. Each blank weighs about 450 kilograms. To prepare the blanks for the formation into train wheels, automated machinery loads them into one side of a rotary furnace. Exiting the other side at approximately 1,300 degrees Celsius, the blanks are then placed into a high-pressure water descaling unit by a machine, removing the outermost layer of metal. Subsequently, a press applies 9,000 tons of pressure to each blank, forging it into the rough shape of a train wheel. Upon removal from the press by a robot, the train wheel measures 76 centimeters in diameter and is transported to a rolling mill. Here, the mill compresses and molds the wheel until it expands to 91 centimeters in diameter, representing a 20% increase. Following this, the train wheel proceeds to a final shaping press, where a hole for the axle is punched out. Any excess material is returned to the melt shop for recycling. After undergoing heat treatment, the outside of the wheel is sprayed with cold water by a machine to harden the steel. Following this, the rim of the wheel and the axle hub are machined. A worker then verifies compliance with specifications, identifying and labeling the wheels, preparing them for axle assembly. Axles begin as steel ingots fed into a rotary forging machine by a manipulator. Rotating and shaping the hot metal into an axle, the machine and manipulator collaborate to achieve the required diameter and length. Subsequently, the axles undergo heat treatment and are machined to remove excess material and facilitate the attachment of the train wheel. Using a wheel mounting press, a wheel is fitted onto each end of the axle. Lubrication and attachment of a bearing are performed by a worker who then secures the end cap using a torque wrench. Finally, a crimper tool locks the bolts in place, and the assembled wheel set is ready for installation beneath a rail car. Before the train wheels are put into service, they undergo comprehensive testing to ensure their safety, reliability, and compliance with industry standards and regulations. This includes dynamic testing on test tracks, static load tests, and additional inspections as required. Once the train wheels have passed all quality control checks and testing, they are ready to be installed on trains for use in rail transportation, supporting the efficient and safe movement of passengers and freight around the world.